Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, what we will do is we will try to do slicing in a word. Let's open a notepad, and this we have two problem statements. Where first statement is we have a word with a month name, and in this month, what we need to do is we need to extract the first three letters of this month. And another thing is this is a policy number. From this policy number, we need to extract the next two letters. I think it just change the requirement as next three letters. R, P, K. Now there are multiple ways to retrieve. Let us go through the multiple ways and let's see which way suits you well. Now let us create a flow for slicer. And here let's set a variable with name of month. And here let's create a variable. Now to retrieve a January, we have an string manipulation action, get subtext, and in here we will be passing the month, and at the start of the text or we have a character position. Let's go with character position, where we will add a position at 0 and it should be ending at 3. So basically we need JAN. So this is one way where we will be able to retrieve a subtext. Let's check it by running, and here we go. We have first three characters with us, but let's create a scenario where I don't you need to add one more additional action. Instead of that, I just want to pass these three numbers only uh, in the process. For example, let us get one more action, set variable, and in here let us create a string. The month is Jan. So basically we want like this, and in here we will be passing a variable. Now in this variable we will pass a subtext, and if we check it, we have the details as an output. But what if we don't want this specific action and we can directly have a slicing done and the details will be retrieved in here? For that, let's disable this action, and in here let us remove this variable and add a variable with month. And here what we will do, we will give a colon, and after that we'll tail up till three characters. We need to retrieve details. So what this does, this is a kind of slicing where we were trying to tell a bot that hey, go in this variable and retrieve the details from uh, starting from nth number and ending till 3. So let's just save it and run it. Now if you check the output, we have a Jan. This month, the month is Jan. The variable is updating the details properly, so we can skip the specific value and directly use this slicers for retrieving the details. Let us go for next scenario where we need to retrieve next three characters of this policy number. Let me copy this and let me take a variable again and add it in here. We can again get it using subtext, and there is another way by using sub slices. So let us go for subtext first. Let me pass a variable policy, and again same, the character should be fourth and it should end to 7. So basically what we are asking him bot to do is 0 1 2 3 fourth character, and it should end to 7 4 5 6 and 7 till here. So we don't want this hyphen. Let's just run it first and see what actually happens. So in the subtext we have RPK and 304. So basically it has taken multiple the values next than 8 also. So we don't want it like this. Instead of that, what we can do is we can just remove it and we can add 3, the number of characters we need after the fourth index. And if we checked it, we got RPK in here. But what if we will just retrieve it using the slicers? Let's just disable this. Again, go in here, remove the new variable and add a policy in here. In this policy, again, let's add a square bracket in here. We will tell that from fourth index to sixth index, we want the details to be retrieved. And let's just run this code. Yep, we got RP, and I think it should require 6 7. Let me just run it again. Here we go. We got RPK, the value in between. And similarly, what if we want 3049 to be retrieved? The same way, we will just add 8 in here and we will remove 7 from this square bracket. And what this says, from its index to last, retrieve everything that it has. Let's try to rerun the code. And here we go. We have 3049. So this is what we can do with string slicing. I hope you like the video. Yep, thank you.